Hola amigos del idioma español. In this unit we're going to study the gender of the substantive in Spanish, and we are going to do an exercise related to this topic. I recommend you to use the pause button on the exercise just to give you time to do it on your notebook. Use your notebook to write down the new expressions and sentences. I hope you'll find this explanation useful. ¡Vamos! El género del sustantivo. The gender of the substantive. The substantive can be masculine or feminine. It can never be neutral, only some pronouns can. In most cases, we can determine the gender of a substantive according to its termination. Masculine substantives usually end in O, E, or consonant. On the other hand, feminine substantives usually end in A. Nonetheless, there are some exceptions the students should learn as they appear. Let's have a look at some examples. Masculino, acabado en O, E. Chico, boy, camarero, waiter, cliente, client, perro, dog, gato, cat, maestro, teacher, master, alumno, student, pupil, coche, car. Ending in consonante, consonant. Doctor, doctor, director, headmaster, conductor, driver, tractor, tractor, camión, lorry. Let's have a look at some feminine examples, ending in A, in A. Chica, girl, camarera, waiter, clienta, client, the case of a woman. Perra, it's a female dog. Gata, it's a female cat. Maestra, teacher, master. Alumna, student, pupil. Let's have a look at the feminine, ending in consonante plus A. From doctor that we had, now we have doctora, which is the feminine. From director, which was headmaster, masculine, now we have directora, headmistress. From conductor, which was driver, now we have conductora, it's a woman driver. El género del sustantivo II. The gender of the substantive II. In the last slide, we have seen the most basic notions of the gender of the substantive. There are some more rules and cases that we are going to see right now. Sometimes the masculine word has a different radical from the feminine one. For example, hombre, man, mujer, woman. Caballo, horse. Yegua, mare. Padre, father. Madre, mother. In some other cases, the masculine and the feminine substantive have the same form. Masculino, el médico, the doctor. Femenino, la médico, the doctor. El paciente, the patient. La paciente. El estudiante, the student. La estudiante, the student. El taxista, the taxi driver. La taxista. The names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountains and mountains are masculine. El Guadiana, el Mediterráneo, el Atlántico, el Everest, los Pirineos. Although most of the substantives ending in a or a are feminine, nonetheless there are some exceptions. La noche, the night, la leche, the milk, la mano, the hand, la calle, the street, la radio, the radio, la luz, the light, la flor, the flower, la sal, the salt. El género del sustantivo, 3. The gender of the substantive, 3. The substantives ending in ción, sion, dat, tat are feminine too. For example, la canción, the song, la vocación, the vocation, la habitación, the room, la lección, the lesson. With sion, la pasión, the passion, la emisión, the broadcast, the emission, la mansión, the mansion. With that, la bondad, the goodness, la fealdad, the ugliness, la ciudad, the city, la verdad, the truth. With that, la amistad, the friendship, la lealtad, the loyalty, la libertad, the freedom. It is important to know that we can turn adjectives into nouns by using either the definite or the indefinite article before them. For example, from the adjective joven, which means young, we can form a noun, a substantive, just by adding the article before the adjective. So from joven, we have el joven, un joven, and that means the youngster, a youngster. Now, let's have a look at the exercise. Remember to use your notebook. Ejercicio. ¿Estos sustantivos son masculinos o femeninos? Escriba y diga el artículo correspondiente, el, la. Algunas palabras pueden llevar ambos artículos. Write and say the corresponding article, el, la. Some words may have both articles. Competitividad. Doctor. Creatividad. Animación. Carpintero. Enemistad. Maldad. Miércoles. Diversidad. Superioridad. Igualdad. Electricista. Madre. Capacidad. Manzanares. Profesora. Atención. Amistad. Emoción. Pasión. Traición. Joven. Lección. Viernes. Dignidad. Sábado. Mississippi. Fraternidad. Everest. Trabajadora. dificultad. Escritora. Respuestas correctas: la competitividad, el doctor, la creatividad, la animación, el carpintero, la enemistad, la maldad, el miércoles, la diversidad, la superioridad, la igualdad, el electricista, la electricista, la madre, la capacidad, el Manzanares, la profesora, la atención, la amistad, la emoción, la pasión, la traición, el joven, la joven, la lección, el viernes, la dignidad, el sábado, el Mississippi, la fraternidad, el Everest, la trabajadora, la dificultad, la escritora.
And so we have come to the end of this unit. At this point, we may sum up what we have studied as follows. Nouns that end in O, E or consonant are usually masculine. Nouns that end in A are usually feminine. There are exceptions to this rule. Nouns that end in oma and emma are masculine as they come from ancient Greek. Nouns that end in thion, sion, dad and tad are feminine, despite the fact that they end in the consonant. It would be good for you to learn by heart the following words. These words can also serve as examples of the rules and exceptions. La noche, the night. La leche, the milk. La mano, the hand. La calle, the street. La radio, the radio. La luz, the light. La flor, the flower. La sal, the salt. El tema, the theme. El problema, the problem. La canción, the song. La habitación, the room. La pasión, the passion. La bondad, the goodness. La ciudad, the city. La amistad, the friendship. La libertad, the freedom. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. I'd always love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your questions or let me know what topics you'd like to see in future videos. Nos vemos pronto. Hasta luego.